Want to start collecting those sweet Robux donations in Please Donate, but don't know how to set up your stand on mobile? Here's your quick and easy guide to making your very own stand in Roblox's Please Donate. Whether you're on iPhone or Android, let's get donating. First, make sure you're in the Please Donate game. You'll see a prominent button, usually near the center of your screen, that says Create Stand. Tap that to begin. This will open up your stand customization menu. Here's where the magic happens to make your stand stand out. To give your stand a catchy name, tap on the text box labeled title. You can type in anything you want here. Get creative with slogans or just state your donation goal. Next, let's talk about what you're asking for. Tap at Gamepasses. This will bring up a list of any Gamepasses you've already created for your Roblox experiences. Browse through the list and tap on the Gamepasses you want to offer. These are what people can buy to support you, and they usually come with in-game perks. Once you've chosen your Gamepasses, they'll automatically appear on your stand. You can showcase multiple Gamepasses if you have them. And that's it. Your stand is now ready for action. Players will see your title and the Gamepasses you're offering, making it easy for them to donate. Now all you have to do is wait for fellow players to visit your stand and show their support. Happy donating.